In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send money overseas with Wise. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the send option available right here on the main menu of Wise. So tap on send and start the process. First, if you have Wise balance available, so let's say you have US dollars, euros, and so on, you can choose the balance here and choose who you want to send it to. Alternatively, if you don't have balance available, then the only option will be this, an account outside Wise. So I'm going to showcase this option first, but then I'm going to be talking about how to do it with balance. Overall, it is very similar. If you choose the option at the top, an account outside Wise, you will be able to specify how much you want to send and how much the person will be receiving. They are going to utilize their own exchange rate, so be aware of any included fees, be aware of the exchange rate, how much you will be saving, and you can do a price comparison. You can do the transfer right away or schedule it to a later date. Once you are satisfied, tap on continue, and they are going to ask you the details about the recipient. Usually, this will be done by choosing enter bank details. If they are also using Wise, then you can choose this option here, but I'm going to assume that you will be sending it to someone outside of Wise. So now enter the account details. Switch it from local bank account to IBAN if they are going to be outside, and then input all of the necessary details. I'm not going to cover this process in full, but it is very intuitive. With all of this done, choose how you want to fund this transfer. So assuming that you don't have the balance already on Wise, you will need to choose one of the available payment methods. You can find bank transfer all the way down at the bottom, so scroll down if needed and enter the details about your bank account. Now, if you chose the send option and you have balance available, then all of your balance options are going to appear here at the bottom. You can choose a specific balance and then just go through the process as usual. You will be funding the transfer using your Wise balance instead. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.